YouTube, what's the deal, boy? What's good, YouTube? Today's Friday the 26th. Y'all see I'm looking rough a little bit. I'm about to just do a little lineup, man. My brushing sessions, man, like I do one, like when I wake up, I brush, you know what I mean? But I'm at work 12 hours a day. So it's kind of hard to get a brush session, but when I come home, you know what I mean, I only get a brush session in for like an hour a day because I'll be at work. Here's an update on where I'm at. There ain't even no difference, y'all. I ain't nowhere. Y'all. I ain't even get no wrinkles yet. So I'm thinking like I know in the and like when I first got my cut, I said like 8 to 10 weeks. No, there ain't no way. I'm thinking 20 weeks straight with no haircut. All I'm gonna be doing is lining my hair up, and I'm not even gonna line this part up. All I'm gonna be doing is this part, and my hair grows kind of funny right here. So during this whole process, y'all, I'm just gonna let my hair grow. I'm gonna line my neck up, but no tapers, no line. I'm gonna let it grow even. So, but look though, man, you ain't gotta rush doing this, man. If you in my position and you just starting out like me, and you cut your hair off against the grain, you ain't got one wave, and you know what I mean. I know you want to get there, but patience is the key to success. It's one of the big homies told me. I ain't got one wave in my head, y'all, but I ain't, you know what I mean? We got time. Ain't no rush in this shit, man. I ain't trying to catch up to nobody. Shout out to all the waivers out there, y'all. I see y'all doing your thing. And they on a whole nother level, y'all. I'm just doing me. I'm not trying to be like nobody else. None of them. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do my mustache real quick. This ain't gonna be a long video. If you got these, then you already know you ain't gotta adjust them when they come out the box, cause these things be hitting right here. That's it. That's simple. That's simple, y'all. That's all I'm gonna do. I'll see y'all next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Let me know what clippers you using, what liners you using, what week you on. Let me know how long you been woofing, how long you been waving. If you just a beginner like me, shout out to all the wavers. Oh yeah, just to let y'all know, my name is Marcel, aka Selly Cell. I just want to let y'all know what I'm using for my wave journey, y'all. This is what I'm using, y'all. A simple, non-fancy, classic, original, silky do-rag, y'all. The original black one. Ain't nothing special about this. You know what I mean? It's simple. You don't need all them surag, do-rag, zoo-rag, cool-rag, all that other shit. You don't need that right now. You know what I mean? If you in my position and you just starting out and you trying to be cool and all that shit, yeah, they cool. But you don't need all that right now. Just start off with the basics. Don't be trying to rush. Have patience. And so I'm using the original black one. I'm using Sporting Waves pomade, you know what I mean? And that's the only thing I'm using. And to wash my hair, I'm using this right here, the coconut and curl and shine shampoo. That's it. And I'm using the Inferno and the Alaska Ice. Shout out to Nick Wavy and Wavy Merch, y'all. So alright then, y'all, man, I'm holla at y'all, man. Good luck, man. Good luck on coming through, man, watching my video and shit, man. So holla at y'all later.